Hey friends, Russ here having more Daisy Lever gun fun, and I want to show you a little repair slash conversion slash saving it from the trash bin mod that I did. Now this gun, I picked it up in this condition. It has this funky paint job I think somebody was very proud of. And it's a 499B, one of the Target specials. What it had originally was this trigger assembly inside, and the B, of course, had the plastic trigger on the trigger assembly. There was an issue. It wasn't working inside, so I wanted to add one of these folded steel triggers. We did that, but to be able to do that, the pivot hole for the trigger doesn't line up, and so you have to measure a gun like this, try to find where the holes should be for the trigger, and that's where we put our new screw. Changed out the cocking lever. It had a metal one on there, but we went with a brand new plastic one. To be able to use what was inside, because it was a 499, it had this at the end of the plunger assembly, and we switched it out to a regular plunger assembly that used the air tube and the rubber cup on it. That meant taking out the old original shot tube and abutment and putting in a modern type abutment and loading assembly here to be able to get, because this was a 499, it was a single shot muzzle loader, so we had to accommodate loading BBs in it. So I cut the notch for the loading gate, and that works fine. I had to make a muzzle on here because, of course, the original muzzle was one like this. As you can tell, this one here is chopped up a little bit. I didn't do that, but I did find it to be in that condition. So, after some modifications, this gun shoots now. Shoots pretty well, and with some authority. Well, friends, if you have any questions, don't forget to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up if you get a chance, and always remember to stay safe. This is Russ. Take care.